The thing that attracted me to this project was the combination of Labi and China, and I guess working with intelligent bodies that had a completely different reason for movement to any contemporary dancer that I might have come across otherwise. I'd already thought about, is it possible to make an evocation of the human condition needing shelter and containment in another way? So I just said, all right, well, let's try and make a box. Let's try and make a box for each person, for each of the monks. This was the proportion that we ended up with, which is basically 3 times longer than they are broad and deep. It is an investigation of freedom and containment, and simple propositions like the body can be in one place and the mind somewhere else, that the body can be confined, but in some senses the imagination can go anywhere.